I apologize to everyone. I could have sworn when I put these things out, I said they come in a set of 3, don't mix them up. Or that's my fault, guys. Should have been more specific.
I'm a direct reflection of my leadership.
Because, like, I don't know, it's just kind of intuitive. I don't know, really think about it, it's funny now. Oh yeah, I'm reading my pen. I'm not grading it. Anyone have an ink pen? I like grading with a pen.
I have red.
Is it a black pen?
Yeah, black pen.
Red, green.
You got black?
Purple.
Oh, is this black?
It's black.
That should work.
Gray.
Oh, you know what? I left my pen in my backpack and I didn't bring my backpack today.
Unprepared.
No, I have my laptop out. I'm getting an invoice for Fossil. I'm still waiting for their email back. Should be getting $1,500 out of it.
Shit, yeah, no. It's well worth it, man.
Actually, so.
Don't seem to focus. Why not? There we go. Oops. There we go.
All those Long Island watches came with screwdrivers, and I tried using one of them to size it. It immediately broke.
Oh, was Mark there from Long
Yeah,
Island?
Mark, I met him.
Oh, nice. He's a nice guy, right?
Yeah, he's very nice.
Yeah, I've heard
He
that a
wants
lot.
me to be his proprietary bracelet sizer for all events in the upcoming future.
Dude, that'd be cool.
This is the part that's taking the longest. The mechanism.
Yeah, Fossil just emailed me back. Oh, I need a printer.
I don't know. Maybe there's something.
And
Yes, anyways.
that's great.
Right at the eight, so it's pretty consistent. Oops.
I'm curious if you get somebody to out of different position.
Yep. Yeah, so dial up. It's something correct. It's something hard. It's something I don't remember. I remember as H for high, dial high.
Okay.
And then dial down, nine o'clock, 3 o'clock, dial high. And I adjusted this films to limit my energy because I was getting way too much too. And the difference in it's all the delta. So the delta between dial up and dial down is higher than I thought. So, but what I just did was I ran it. It was about this difference. So I checked my regulating pins because the pins are not parallel. There's going to be a big difference between your horizontal rates. So I ensured that they were parallel, and it did. So now it's futzing with it to get it. If I can get it to run really well before I disassemble it and clean it, when I do the service and assemble and clean it, then I shouldn't have to adjust or fix anything. I can just do the service. So a good rule of thumb is always fix things while the watch is dirty and make it precise, because you can still tell if it's precise, even if it's not the cleanest.
Right.
Unless there's like a big fuzz or a piece of dust actually eating something from you. But yeah, that way you're not like, I have this watch perfectly clean. I know I have to make this change and it's going to be out of the dome out of the watch for all the time to get dirty here.
You don't have to maybe clean it or risk it being
Yeah.
not as distinguished.
Yeah, exactly. So far it's not bad. I just don't know the difference. I would like that to be like 2 to 3 seconds instead of 4. Point of it.
It's like a general rule of thumb if you're restricted to
It's kind of a general rule of thumb. The Swiss watches, you can get the horizontal rates really close to each other. Japanese watches generally less precise. That's by the double. Yeah. I mean, once you get to the sleeves, the first watches you guys will go with,
Oh yeah.
you'll have like
Yeah.
a minute delta, and that's fine. Because it's a little tiny ladies cocktail watch from the 60s that was meant to just be small and be in a little lady's watch. It wasn't meant to be precise. So,
If the man with you will tell you what time it is.
basics.
Dave, you want to confirm something for me? Remember 1980? I think this is all upside down.
I barely remember it.
Remember how like one edge kind of had like that
the
microscopic
usually
stroke? Yeah, so I have, yeah, that's the one in question. I'm pretty sure it's upside down. Because it looks too,
Right angle.
yeah, and when you want, like when you set the time on it, you can feel a little bit of resistance.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'll probably mark,
This one's stop.
yes, this is straight from the back.
Okay.
Yeah, I see a difference. There's not really a category for that, so I'm going to put it in like this one. I'll apply microphone. Yeah.
See that kind of thing.
Yeah, I'm just going to put an addition with and just put a hard -1.
Yeah.
The hard minus one.
No, it's not -1.
Just, it's like overall to the
Yeah.
-30.
That point is merciless.
loud noise.
Loud
Noises.
noises.
Loud.
Okay, I just wanted to get my thank you. What you cleaning a freaking house?
Couple bar trays. They were like, I didn't want to sit it on like a dryer for 30 minutes. I just kind of wanted to go to dry. I don't know. That's rude of me. I
It's not
shouldn't
like
do
30
that.
minutes, it's like 5 to 7 minutes.
And then it might melt if I leave it on there. I don't know.
You
No,
gotta
it
leave on
definitely
there for
won't
8 hours
happen.
straight,
Oh, okay.
boss man.
Yeah, it takes like 20 for it to dry. It's always very impatient on that.
Noted. I'll just put it on the dryer next time.
And it'll only melt if you put it, if you take the lid off and put it at the bottom of the dryer. That's how somebody melted theirs once.
Okay. Okay.
Even if it's done.
Should have had the proper setup. The camera's too heavy for that tripod. Yeah, it looks a little bit better. There we go. Yeah, much better.
You just had to dial in here the last time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what my problem was, it was like, it wasn't always, it had to be completely frozen to be awesome.
A little bit of light green on the regular.
I barely I could move.
Can you see that?
and stuff.
Yeah.
I didn't even know that.
That's why.
Really
even the light. That's honestly, it's so negligent, like, making note of it. Because obviously, last time it was covered in crap, so I'll say, like, still has some crap, but make it more clean.
That's sick. Well, this one, not because it's not very big. I think Dave has probably been here.
Now what?
It's way bigger.
It doesn't, that's still,
Well, this one, the other one will actually come down and might rest on the bottom, right?
unlikely. That'd be a weird hairspring.
Okay.
No, because there's, if you go within the drawer underneath the battery, like the desk with the underneath the battery shelf in the other room, there's balance tacks in the balance tool drawer. They usually use that.
Okay.
So it'll be fine.
Yeah, this that is sick. Yeah, well, what I was having to do is I was taking my screws and just kind of lifting it up like that, you know? Kind of creating a little, that's why it's
But
Okay.
To pull it off and then it would make Yeah. Crazy, man. I heard it once it hit the mat, it must have went through the hole in the wall. And it dropped straight down. Yeah.
Anything like that. This pen right here, but I may need it if I get any more overhauls later. This thing, I mean, I don't know, it's like since we came back from break, I just can't find my groove.
Got me a team just off.
I haven't too much work.
Got me a team just off.
Yeah, that's true. I think he's still on break.
It's not ideal.
I think there's a phone in the middle cabinet out there. Oh. And that's why it's so loud. Because I was like, why am I hearing it?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I'm not sure there's a phone in the middle cabinet.
It's up, but I do have like earring. So.
Yeah.
Never blow that. I don't know. I've been blowing out. Yeah, never blow the dial because I lost my hand. And he said that when we get into lubrication, there's 5 different lubrication points in there. And it'll cause the lubrication to sweat out. Try to pass on the knowledge I learned.
Those little dots, dust all over.
Goodness, well, this was a good score, guys. Everyone's like, why did I get these pants off? No, it wasn't. It's like, it wasn't brown.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
All day.
I got you.
Just get 2 points. Well, it's still technically brown.
That's, yeah. That's 98.
Yeah, that's not bad.
That's almost
That's 21 out of 30.
Yeah.
Not great, but also not horrible. 3 points in front.
But the rest of it.
The rest of it was
error.
fantastic.
Well, then there you go.
Yeah.
So you just gotta
Yeah,
be careful and then do the same thing.
exactly. It's funny, they were like, I want to get a 90. I'm like, okay, good luck.
Yeah, I don't think I got 90 on
Yeah, 19 is probably the hardest
Yeah.
percentage rated
I
one.
think I did when I got the BFG 36.
Yeah, I got it.
10 for sure, but I don't think I got 98.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, was that your second or first? Second. So just got a disassembly check from you. I haven't updated your stuff in a little bit. No, not you. Oh.
Oh, I'm telling you, bro.
Oh, you're on number 5.
No, I just got check mark, so I'm starting 6.
Oh, okay. So I need to see a disassembly check.
Yeah.
Heard that, Bob? How about you, Bob? Where are you? I haven't updated this in 3. You're on 9.
9 and a half.
It's working.
No.
Are you?
We need to check the official log.
That's what this is for. Remember, if one person lies, it ruins it for everyone.
It's a -5.
Minus 5 bucks.
I have 2 left. That would be what?
I'll update this later.
Oh, wait. Yeah. Wait. No, that's 2 left.
Which is still kind of far up there. I'm kind of really surprised. Not surprised.
To get the hang of it, get the hang of it. Like check marks 1, 2, 3 is like
other
the
day and it was like 6.
like checks 1, 2, 3 is like the dumb baby phase where you're kind of doing it but you don't really see anything. Like, does this look right? And then check marks 4 through 6 is kind of like, okay, I'm starting to get the hang of this. And then check marks 7 through 10 is like, I know this is right. Can you just give me the check mark real quick? You know what I mean?
If I complete this one, that would be 9. So yeah.
So you're in your 8th.
He's on 8 going to 9.
I'm on 9.
Oh, so you need to disassemble that, which I just gave you the check.
Yes.
Oh,
So
there
I
you go.
assemble this and down here, go to 9. Then I get to 10.
6, 7.
I don't know.
Why y'all pocket watch? You know what happens when you cross somebody else's pocket, right? You lose track of your own.
No, I do check mark. That's just hate. That's all that comes from hate. I'm a hater.
I'm a hater. Haters gonna hate. Man, these smaller screwdrivers do just sharpen so quickly. Let's fix that. What you got over there? Here's where we got it angled. Let's see if I can fix it.
Wrap it on the wheel.
Ah. Yes, Mr. Bond?
I'll have it show function yesterday. However, regardless, that my different
That's okay. Now granted, let's say you had like one of sort of like 4 and 5 plus that, then I would be like, yo, what the heck is going on? But no, the fact that you did really good work and you just had a fluke, just make sure this doesn't happen again.
really happy.
Yeah, that's the thing, you know, like kind of like,
Function test real quick.
yeah, a function test would have sawn that, but it also probably could have affected your cleanliness score because then you'd have to take the bridge off and all that perfectly nice in place oil would have been. If you had enough in that spread, take the jumper out, flip it, put it back on. But again, I have no doubts that next time will be very beautiful. I need to grab a balance tack. Let's see what's going on with your balance. I know, it's technically the making spot.
Hey, that's for you and him to discuss.
What is that?
It's when you test the functions.
Notice it.